In this video, we'll do a quick tour of the local National Weather Service climate data pages. To access these pages from the main weather.gov page, select Past Weather from above the map on the right or visit weather.gov/climate. You'll then be presented with a map of all National Weather Service forecast offices. Select any of the offices to go to the appropriate local climate page. You'll then be presented with a selection of tabs for various climate information. It will default to the Noaa Online Weather Data Tool, also known as Now Data. Now Data can be used to access a full period of record from many climate observing sites. You simply select the location you're interested in, and then the product you'd like to view. Note that you can view a detailed product description below for each one. Then select the date or other parameters that may appear depending on the products, and then click Go. You'll then see the requested information. You can also enlarge the results window with the button in the upper right. The next tab is Observed Weather. This area is to display the products produced for, in general, airport sites. These include some extra detailed information. When you select the product type on the left and the location on the right, you will see the most recent product available. There is also a toolbar to navigate to a limited number of previous versions and an Archive Data button allowing you to look back even further. If you need to find a specific date, especially if it's older than what is available here, then select a link to the National Centers for Environmental Information Climate Data Online. From there, you will have access to the full period of record for these sites. The next tab, Climate Prediction and Variability, provides a list of links to sites and products related to climate prediction and climate variability. Most notable on this list is your gateway to the National Weather Service Climate Prediction Center. Next is a Local Data/Records tab. This tab includes information provided from the local National Weather Service office and is different at each office. Last but not least is the Climate Resources tab. You will find a list of various national, regional, and state climate resource page links. You will also find links to astronomical data calculators. Thank you for visiting weather.gov/climate.